3, 2, 1. Hey, here we are, live video. We got a phone call in the middle of our live video.
Okay.
Here you go. What are we doing here?
We are 3D printing with a 24 by 24 inch or
No.
12 by 12 inch.
Yep. How about 220 millimeters?
Well, that and IIIP printer right here. It is a circular, but
It's called Delta.
it's a pretty good printer, but I wouldn't say it's the best.
This one's a Cartesian.
Cartesian
is X, Y, and Z.
And I think it's pretty good.
And Delta has the 3 axes, right?
Which I think that looks the coolest, and that is probably the best out of it.
Yeah. So we're printing a couple of test cubes here. We have our little nut computer that's running Ubuntu and Octoprint.
LG.
Yep. And everything's hooked up through the USB hub. Got a Z-Wave device here. We're going to be power controlling these things. Got a couple of cameras, some LED lighting that's just kind of hanging around right now. We'll be putting those into the printers, right?
Yep. But if we can't, it's okay.
So we're just doing a couple of test objects here to make sure everything's running good.
Hey, we've made a ton.
Yep. It's over there on the bench. Good.
I'll go get some.
Got a couple of cameras going on to watch the prints. This is it. These are both $150 3D printers.
So here is some of the prints. If you can't see it well, this is a tiki head.
Yep.
This is a puppy. And here is a skull.
Which one do you like the best?
I think I might like the tiki and the skull the best, but tiki is probably my favorite.
Okay. So it looks like they're about the same speed. I think Ender might be a little bit ahead.
Some of these are mess ups because the printers weren't working good, but
It's not focusing.
a lot of
I
these.
don't think there's enough light. I think you're standing in the light. That's why you have to go around to the side. There.
I think all of these are this one, and this one are my 4 top favorites. And then the first ever ones that we made were these little finger puppets. Toilet.
Toilet. Show that again.
Toilet. Someone peed in here.
Battleship.
And a battleship. And also a ninja star that didn't work. And then here's a real ninja star. Ooh, that looks cool. And
A 3D ruler.
3D ruler.
See how our prints are doing. Let's go back over here and see how our prints are doing.
Yeah, there's a spider. They look to be doing pretty good, but I think these parts help the most. And show this. Bought these for like $20, $30.
Those are like $4.
I know. I'm joking.
And then we're going to put those in the printer so they light up inside the printer.
And also, they're kind of cool. Can't we change the colors?
Yep, we can change the colors.
Where? Where's the
I don't know where the remote's at. Oh, it's right over there. This one's much quieter. This one's pretty noisy. You got disco lights going on here. seizures.
Yeah.
So we're using glass beds, right? And they're stuck down with thermal tape. We have a couple of add-ons. We have some dust protectors to keep the extra plastic from going down inside the mechanism back there, and some clips that hold down the bed a little bit better so it doesn't wobble around. This one, we have a dust filter so that things don't drop into the fan. We also have a shim that lines up this axis correctly. We're going to move the filament. We have to make a dry box up top for our filament. And then all the filament will be moved off the back of there and off the top up to a dry box. I'll just put it up top again. So you go show them the computer stuff that's going on?
Oh, yeah. Let's go.
Right, let's go back over there.
But I think that's a pretty good setup.
So on the computer, we are running Octoprint.
Tell them how it works.
And it shows the temperature and the web camera. It will show what's printing at the current time. Shows all the commands being sent over. So if something messes up, we can stop it remotely. And then this is the other one. Pretty cool. Thanks for watching, guys.